Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this 2016 Hyundai Accent rear wiper is really small and auto parts stores don't carry it, only the dealer. The dealer wants 30 bucks for it, which I think is ridiculous. So I bought this 14-inch wiper from Costco. I'm going to take out the rubber blade from this one and I'll be putting it on the old one and I'll be saving 20 bucks. To remove the wiper blade from the car, simply lift it up, turn it, and then it just lifts out of place. So to remove the blade from the new wiper, find the thicker end. This is the thin end here without the stopper, and this is the thick end with the stopper. So you can see there's a little rubber bump there. Sometimes you can just pull it out, but if you can't pull it out, just use a screwdriver and press on the little rubber bump here a little bit, and then just pull on it, turn it on the other side, do the same thing, and then it should just come out. And now you can separate the metal strips here. We won't be using these, you can just throw them out. And then we're going to use this rubber insert and put it on the old assembly. So here's the old assembly. It has a stopper on each side. So if you try to get the rubber out, it won't come out. But if you just bend it a little bit down, you can try to pull it out at the end like this. So you can see I almost have it on top, and then once it goes on top, you can just pull it out. So there's the old assembly, and you can keep the two metal strips from the old one. So here's the old and new one. The new one's on the right, and you can see that they're the same thickness here. You have to be careful to buy the one with the same thickness. So I got the smallest wiper, which has the least thickness. If you get a longer wiper, it'll be thicker. So just match them at the end like this and measure, and then you can cut it to size right here. So once you cut it to size, you can put the metal strips on each side like this and just start it on one side and hold it vertically, and then just press down like this, and I have it in. And now we can put it back in the assembly. So I have to go on top of the stopper, and it's a little bit difficult, but you can just push it in. And if that happens, that's okay. We can get that out later. Got stuck here, so I'm just gonna pull it through. Got it through the next one. And that's it. The rubber can be pulled back. And if it's sticking up like that, then you can just move it back and forth. And that's it. It went under. That looks good. And that looks good. And now I can put it back on the car. So to put the wiper blade back on the car, make sure that you align it like this with the bigger slot towards the right, and then just turn it upside down, push it in, and then just while pressing, just turn it, and then it should snap right in, and then just press it down. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to my channel.